Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ghost the Freelancer. How is everyone doing today? I hope you all are doing fine, and again, I hope you all are safe. So, for today's recording, we are going to work on a training from TOLOKA Yandex called Auto Dealers Find Requested URL. Well, before we proceed, guys, I would just like to let you know that I was gone for about a week because I had COVID 19, even if I was fully vaccinated. So, uh, let me tell you this, guys. Um, Even if you are fully vaccinated, it or yeah, it does not mean that you are not going to catch COVID. You will still catch COVID. However, the symptoms are minimal. I had tonsillitis as well as body pain for about 5 days, and that's basically it. And it's easily managed by resting, exercising, and taking paracetamol. I'm not sure if paracetamol is available in other countries, but that's just what I took, and really a lot of rest. So, to those guys who haven't gotten their vaccine against COVID, I highly recommend that you get one as soon as you can. Okay. I lost my landlady because of that last Wednesday. And condolences to the family. Again, that goes out to the Toralba family. Well, okay, guys, let's move on to working on this particular task from Yandex Tloka. I'm still having some problems trying to speak, but I'm trying my best to, be loud and clear and explain this process to you as much as I can. So the name of the task is find requested URL new auto inventory. So it'll be new auto inventory. So what you have to do is to go and pull up the website or go to the website rather. So for this one, it's Toyota of Orlando.com, and we are to look for the new auto inventory. So we go to new, and then we go to new Toyota inventory. So this is going to be the link on top. Let me paste it here for you. So before I paste it, let's answer this. Judge response. Select the task. So the task is new auto inventory and verify success. Can you find the requested URL at the website? Yes, I can find requested URL. Submit the answer. Oh, all right. Go to next task. I'm not sure. It has a time limit of 4 minutes supposedly, but I'm not sure. It's not okay. I kept on talking earlier. I'm sorry. So requested URL will be order parts. So go to the website and look if there are parts here. Order parts. You have to dig into the website. Okay. So for this one, order parts. Verify success. Yes. Submit answer. Paste the URL here. Click submit. You'll get an error during the training if you submitted the wrong answer. So that one was good. Moving on to the next is schedule service. So go to the website and look here for service part schedule service just like that. Before this is a new version of this of this task. Before it's so easy to work on. It has a different UI now. So schedule service, copy the link. Yes, and then paste it here. Click on submit. So far, we are not getting any error on top, so we are just doing well. So find requested URL, order parts again. So service and parts, order parts, and copy the link. Choose from the select task option. That's a drop down menu. Click on order parts, click yes, and type in there, or yeah, paste the link there. Moving on to the next is pre-owned auto inventory. Go to the website again. I'm not sure how many tasks we need to complete to pass this one. So it's pre-owned auto inventory. This one, pre-owned inventory. Pre-owned vehicles, certified pre-owned. Hold on, pre-owned vehicles, certified. It's asking for pre-owned only. So pre-owned vehicles. All right. Select the task name. Again, pre-owned inventory. Yes, we found or verified the success and submit the answer by pasting the URL here. Submit it. Okay, I guess we're doing good. This is an easy task. Again, for this one, it's schedule service. So service, service center, schedule service. Now let's go back here. Schedule service. Yes, fine. I was able to find or verify the URL. Submit it just like that, or paste it there. Now, next one is new auto inventory. New auto inventory. Go to the website. New Toyota inventory. Just like that, and click yes here. Paste it just like that. Isn't it easy? Man, I'm not sure for how long or for how many tasks we need to complete to pass it. So special new vehicle inventory. So go to specials, new vehicles specials. Um, specials, new. Okay, okay. I think that's the right one. Uh, pre-owned. Oh no, special new vehicles. Let me verify this. All right, and paste it there. Again, this is really easy to work on. Special new vehicles again. Go to the website. Go to specials. Service. Go to new specials. Copy the link. Select the task name. Special new vehicle. Click yes. Paste it or paste the URL there and click on submit again. Same task. Special new vehicles. Uh, so from here, go to special, new vehicles special, copy the link, select the task. Um, yes, here, paste it there. This is quite similar to creation crowd entity or any of those type of hits from UHRS. So for this one, schedule service. So go to service and then appointment. So select from the task, schedule service, yes, there, and paste the link again here. All right, it's taking a while. Okay, so we passed the training uh, task with a score of 90%. I'm really satisfied with how we did with the training, and you can access the task for 0.05 cents. That's high paying for me. All right. So, guys, I hope this video helps you out. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. You can find us on Facebook. Our Group name is Click Worker Philippines and Ghost Lay Hitters. For you to be able to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first. Hit those notification bell or that notification bell. Please do not forget to uh, hit it so you'll get notified every time we upload a video tutorial or an overview video or what have you. Okay, and we also have a weekly challenge wherein we motivate ourselves to earn as much as we can. Just to give you an estimate, people there earns about $100 to 100 or $100 to the moon. So if you want to join the challenge again, you can join the Facebook group. All right. So thank you all for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.